Welcome back, boys. So I feel like I always say this, today's a special day, but today really is another special day. I've been waiting for this for a while. In the previous video, I said I had something planned for the streetcar, and the EG hatch kind of like intertwined with that or kind of stopped me from doing that day. But right now we got the streetcar on the trailer. Yeah, so we're going to our buddy's shop, and the car is going to get a complete transformation, something that I've always wanted. I've had this for a while for the car, for some car. I didn't know what I was going to use it for. I knew it was a Honda, obviously, but this is the car that's gonna get this special treatment. That's gonna make this car from here to like a fun street car to like an amazing street car. And we have a little more to go above that, but this is the first step in a pretty big project we have planned for the street car to build the ultimate street car. All right, so we made it. Car's here. As you can see, she's running. We're about to bring it inside, and my boy David over here. Yo, what are we doing today?
Doing a new harness on it. On Fuel Tech.
Fuel Tech 550. This is the first step to the big project for the street car. We're building the ultimate street car, full interior. Yo, you know the goals. Full interior, back seats and all.
Yeah.
This thing's gonna move. It'll be fun.
It's gonna move.
It'll be fun.
Yeah.
And then Jamie's over here telling these guys to add this thing, that thing. See, your tuner's a bad influence, but I appreciate it. Because honestly, it saves a lot of headaches in the future. And who knows where this car is gonna end up. Sonic said this shit a while ago. It doesn't stay a street car for long. And
this is how, so I don't know if you guys have race cars. This is how the track shit begins. It turns from street car to track car. He's gonna chase the 10-second path, and then he's gonna go real quick. Maybe go like a 10.8 or something, or 10.9. He's like. All right, how much more can I push this?
No.
Let me take off my back tires and put skinnies on. Let me take out my back seats. Let me cut the car, see if I can go 9s with my setup. I promise you, this is how this starts.
I'm fighting that battle right now. But we have another race car we're building, so this should hold us off for a little bit. But yeah, let's get it inside, get it done, and we should pick it up in a week or two. All right, boys, we're back from Savi's. Car's at the shop right now. Let's go get it started up, bring it inside the shop. That was a rough start. Okay, 85, brand new Fuel Tech with no mat, low battery. I got a secret for you guys though. Surprise. I didn't want to keep you guys waiting. I've been planning something for a while. I didn't want to jump the gun until I knew I had all the pieces of the puzzle together, but now we do. It's right here. So it's a box of stuff. If you look carefully, you'll see a Rotrex in here. So this is a C38R. So very different than the current C30 in the car. And what the C38R is, it's special. So it uses a 10 rib system because it's such a big blower. And they don't really make kits for it. One company makes a kit. It works okay. You do have to, it's a DIY kit, so you have to modify it a little bit. I got it off someone that had it all figured out, someone I know. They're going turbo, so I ended up picking up the kit. Originally, it was gonna C38R this motor, but then I was thinking, I was like, you know, what does it make sense to have a bigger Rotrex and not utilize its full potential? Because at the end of the day, we're still in a stock motor. I really want this to be the ultimate street car. Reliability is a big part of that. So if you guys remember, we had tucked in the corner, we had my built motor. Now this is gonna be a little bit experimenting because this motor has Drag Cartel 4 or 5 cams. So we're actually gonna be changing the cams to Drag Cartel 3.2s, which I have. Drop that in the comments. What do you think we're gonna make for power with the built motor and the C38R? All right, so I'll give you guys a quick look. If you guys can take a look, everything is super clean, done super flawlessly. They ran the harness under the stock battery location. Jumping on into the driver's seat, we've got the FuelTech 550. We've got the Nano. I have the 3D printed bezel, but the reason I didn't install it, I wasn't a huge fan of some things about it. And then I don't know if I should show you guys the last thing.